Hi, this is Gihan from Gihan's Test Automation Lab. Today I will explain you on Selectors Hub, which is an Chrome extension introduced by Sanjay Kumar, which helps to find your web element for front-end automation. It's a Google Chrome plugin extension. You just search Selectors Hub and click on the link, first link under extension. I have already added my the extension. Just I'll remove it. Here under extension you can add to Chrome. Click on it and click on add extension. After that you need to close the web browser and open it. I am using Dell for my testing website. You open the Dell website. I need to capture this Dell logo. You just right click on the Dell logo and inspect. So you can see Selectors Hub tab gets added at the end. You just click on this Selectors Hub. You can see they have suggest it's an SVG element. If I go to my console and see which element got highlighted, you can see here it's an SVG element. So they have given the suggestion. You just type // you will get the suggestions. There are 7 SVG element in this web page. So just click on it. If I press enter, you can see 7 elements matching. In order to get this Dell logo, you can see in this web page, you can see Dell logo gets highlighted, then sign in gets highlighted, cart also icon gets highlighted. These all are SVG elements. In order to get the Dell SVG element, I need to capture the anchor tag, which is the parent of the SVG. So you need to type / and you will get the suggestion parent. Select the second one, parent, and parent is a anchor tag. You need to type A and press enter. You can see one element is matching and you can see Dell logo gets highlighted. Likewise, you can capture the path also. If you want to capture the path, you just click on the path. Then after that you click on this text box and type // you will get the suggestion path. Just click on it and I need to go to the anchor tag // parent that means if I press enter, you can see here anchor tag. At the end of the anchor tag you can see here it gets blinking when I press enter, and you can see one element is matching. This is from catching from path. After that I will use contains. If I want to capture these solutions, just right click and click on inspect. You can see it's a button solution. So in order to capture this text, just click on the text box here, // it's a button. They have given the suggestion button. There are 11 buttons. Just click on it and I want this specific button, the solutions. In order to do that, open square bracket, contains. Here when I press C, it will give all the suggestions. I want the solutions. From this button, open square, press C. You can see I'm selecting the third one, normalize space. Normalize space means if I click on this solution, you can see there are blank space after and before the solution text. Here, if you can see here, the white space is a blank space. From this normalize dash space, it will remove all the white spaces. And I click on this here and press enter. You can see one element is matching, and you can see solution gets highlighted. And if I want to capture two attributes, I want to capture the class attribute and ID attribute. In order to do that, it's under button. I will delete this one. I want to capture class. At class, here it will give the suggestions. When I press C, MH, this one, and if I press enter, you can see 6 elements. It will select all these tabs. In order to get the solution, I will write space and at I will capture from ID also. ID is L2. They give the suggestion ID L2. Just select it and press enter. One element is matching, and you can see solution tab gets highlighted. If I put O instead of N and press enter, it will give all the 6 tabs because the class attribute is same in all 6 tabs. If I show you in this li, you can see class value is same, and in product tab also the class attribute value also same. And here you can see all the class value are same. That's why it shows 6 elements. And I want to get it from text. If I'm using text, I will delete this one, text. Here when I type in text and press enter, 0 element is matching because we cannot capture it from text because there are white space in front of the text. So in order to do that, we need to use contains as I showed you previously. If I want to capture this search button, I can capture this from text because there are no white space in front and at the end of the search text. So if I want to capture this one, it's a span. Click on the span and open square text, and it will give the suggestion. There are 2 elements here, 2 elements search. If I want to get this search text, I need to get the parent. Parent is the button slash parent button. Press enter. You can see search text gets highlighted, the button. If I press enter, you can see it's blinking at the end of the button. You can see here. Now I'll show you how to get the, if I am in solutions, I want to get the following. That means I'm hitting button, open square. If I press enter, it will select this one. I need to go to the li. That means slash parent li. It will select the li tag, and I want to go to the if I put slash following siblings, I'll put following siblings. That means li. Here it will give the suggestion following siblings and following. If I put following and li, it will show all the li's after solutions. You can see all the li's gets highlighted. Here you can see in the web page there are 288 elements. If I put following dash sibling, here it's a suggestion sibling li. It shows 5 elements. That means in this level, that means this all the li's are under this ul tag name. There are this 6 li's. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there's a 7th one. We cannot see that one. So there are all these li in the same level. You can see it's on the same level. That's why it shows 6, and we are in the solutions. From solutions you can see there are, if I press enter, there are 5 li's, 1 2 3 4, and the last li is not visible. If I click on here, if I move my mouse pointer, you can see this is the finance, the last visible li, and the uh, last one is not visible. The finance li is the before the last element. Here you can see 5 elements are matching, and after that if I want to get the service element, you can open square, and you can if it's the first one, you can put from the index also you can capture. Here you can see one element is matching, or else you can get it from id also. That means you can see id is L3 now. You can, instead of the index, you can write at id. Here you can see L3. So, ID is inside L3 is in the button tag. So in order to get this ID, there's no ID in this LI. You can see here this is the LI. In order to get that, I will use, I cannot use li like that because class attribute value and this data dash text id values are same. You can see in the previous li also both are same. So in order to do that, I will write li then slash button open square, and here inside the button id is L3. Now it will select the service. Here you can see one element matching and service tag gets highlighted. Now I'll write start with if I want to capture this element, I'm going to capture sign in element. Okay, I will double slash span and open square start with, here it will give the suggestion start with text sign in. Here when I press enter, you can see one element matching and you can see sign in gets highlighted. This is the start with. And if I want to use ancestor, that means if I am in solution button solution and I'm going to the parent li. After that I am going to the ancestor slash ancestor. Here it will give the suggestion ancestor ul, that means from here it goes to the this ancestor means grand mother or grandfather. That means you can get the ul in navy also a ancestor. If I put in navy and press enter, it will go from here to this nav. Here if I press enter, you can see it's blinking nav ancestor. Then if I want to use child slash child a, that means under nav I am going to the anchor tag. Anchor tag is a child of nav, so child a anchor tag. Then if I want to use a preceding sibling, that means I'll delete this one. So if I press enter, I am in the solution tab. I want to select the products. It's a sibling, but it's the preceding sibling slash preceding preceding Here, if I press enter, you can see product tab gets highlighted. Preceding-Sibling. If I am in service, let's see service. If I am in service, and I will if I press enter, you can see two element matching. That means if from service tab, if I am getting the preceding siblings LIs, it will select these two, because in the same level there are two siblings above these services. If I want to select this service, I can use self button. Here you can see, if I press enter, it will select the services as it is. Hope you have get a clear understanding on generating your web elements using a Selectors Hub. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.